Artificial intelligence is all the buzz now, and we appear to be learning about their capabilities in new and exciting manners every day. Apart from an already excellent list of things to do on ChatGPT, such as making travel itineraries and solving complicated mathematical issues, they're not very famous for producing music from a text prompt, or are they? In our video today, we'll talk about 5 AI tools that are more than up to the task and are able to create an entirely new song based on a small number of inputs. So get ready to become a conductor of an orchestra filled with bots as we talk about the 5 best free AI tools for music production you should check out right now. So without further ado, let's begin. As one of the most intuitive and easy to use AI websites to generate music, Beatoven simply requires you to sign up and start composing from the get-go. With a length of up to 15 minutes and tempo choices between slow, medium, or fast, you'll get to choose a genre or a regional sound. Next, you get to pick an emotion, let it simmer for a few minutes, and bam! The AI will create a new track from its existing database that's specifically relatable to your choice of inputs. But that's not all. You'll then get access to the timeline editor, where you can further tinker with your audio, like disabling or enabling certain instruments at will. You can break down the entire song into sections and then change the mood to better suit what you prefer. The free tier restricts you to up to 15 minutes, whereas the paid tier can boost this up to 60 minutes of download, and the best part about it, you can collaborate with another user with the same mindset and create your own masterpieces. Like other AI music makers on the list, Soundful has the ability to generate music based on 2 things: genre and mood. The moods can be understandably abstract and can change based on the genres you decide to pick though. So your best chance at getting exactly what you want might be heavily required on you to try out a few permutations and combinations up until you hit the right note. However, once you do get an idea of what you're looking for, Soundful will give you the ability to customize it further based on 2 specific things. The first one is BPM, which you know sets the overall tempo of the track, and the second is notes and keys. Without going into a lot of technical details and dabbling into music theory, Soundful lets you create a loop for the perfect background music you can utilize in your YouTube shorts. The free version will allow you to download up to 10 of your creations in a given month, but you'll need to attribute Soundful unless you want to deal with copyright infringements. If you're looking for a fair amount of granular controls over the kind of music you're looking to produce through the means of an AI, eckrid can be a pretty solid choice. In order to begin a new track, all you gotta do is choose a specific scene, such as fashion, travel, lifestyle, or whatever you fancy. Pick the proper mood and top it all off with the musical genre of your preference. Based on these choices, eckrid will then provide you with a bass track that you can tinker with, and adjust minute details like the tempo, volume, and overall length in real time. However, here's where things get spicy, as each musical instrument you add to the song comes with its own individual track and gives you a visual timeline where you can see how it plays out. You can click on these blocks to control the instrument through the song itself, giving you the ability to mix and match beyond what the AI has offered you, which we found to be quite cool and interesting. Now, Boomi comes off with a strong start by giving you a ton of options regarding your style. Hip-hop, EDM, indie music, you name it, and it has it. You'll get a ton of options regarding your choice, and when you have something you like, Boomi will generate a bass track for you to work on. On the bass track, you get a ton of ways to edit your track. At the vocal level, you can add your own voice by singing directly to the app or uploading a WAV file. You can also rewrite the track and change the tempo and overall density of the track, such as lead, bass, chords, and drum. After that, you get the chance to rearrange, and it's easy since the entire song is broken into sections, thus it's easy to move around to create entirely new arrangements, or if you don't like something, throw it out. You can also tinker with individual instruments and sounds, and with each change, Boomi will regenerate the track. Once you're happy with the final result, save it and you're done. And finally, let's talk about tone transfer. One of the most effective ways you can use an AI in order to create new music. You can easily make use of the AI by uploading an audio file, and if that's too complicated, you can just simply plug in a microphone and hum. And Tone Transfer will automatically start working with it and generate music using beautiful and acoustic instruments. You can easily transform your AI melody by utilizing 4 bass instruments. a concert flute, a violin, a trumpet, and a saxophone. However, do keep in mind you cannot play chords. Instead, tone transfer works with single-voice monophonic melodies, making this an interesting and an intuitive tool to use in order to come up with beautiful and sonorous acoustic sounds to complement your voice. So that was our take for the best free music production AI software you can try out right now. Do let us know how was your experience and which one of these you found the most satisfying to work with, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you want to see more content like this on your feed.